Cybersecurity stocks. We live in a world where everyone uses cybersecurity either directly or indirectly, and that will only increase in future. You only have to look around at your daily activities and your increasing reliance on the Internet of Things. Experts expect the number of IoT uh, devices to increase to about 22 billion by 2025. We can now connect all sort of everyday devices to internet, including kitchen applications, car, thermostat, and even baby monitors that make us vulnerable to cyber criminals. So the demand for security is increasing. There is also a huge demand on the cybersecurity in emerging markets. The economy of countries such as Brazil, China, Mexico, Poland, Romania, and Turkey with the growing fast and required store digital security. There is also a sad reality of war in many parts of the world, which is another driver of the cybersecurity demand. Cyber attacks have been become a regular part of the geopolitical conflict with the sophisticated hack and cyber warfare. This is already playing out in a current war in Ukraine, where volunteers are helping Ukraine in fighting against Russia infamous hacker army. It is expected that the conflict in the future will increasing be fought through cyber wars. And what about the metaverse? The battle of the virtual world has already begun, and there's a lot of money involved. Fortunately, there are many companies that can help protect us against the cyber criminals with smart technology and innovation. A potential growth of the cybersecurity sector is poised with the strong growth in the upcoming years as more and more internet connections are made. According to a study by Astute Analytical, the global cybersecurity market could grow at a compound annual growth rate 13.4% between 2021 and 2027, reaching a total size of $346 billion. If you invested in cybersecurity stocks through 2021, you would have achieved better return than the broad market due to the massive change in the way we work, study, and buy good over the last 2 years. In 2021, global mergers and acquisitions spent in the cybersecurity sector soared to a record of $77.5 billion, up to the 300% year over year, and things are increasing fast this year too. Google recently acquired cyber attack specialist Mandiant for $5.4 billion, while private equity firm Thomba Bravo acquired the Cellpoint Technologies for about $6.9 billion. Unlike spending on this, like marketing companies can risk cut back on cybersecurity, not even with the economy is bad. Therefore, there are good chances that the revenue of the cybersecurity companies could remain stable or even increase during a recession. Let's take a look at the same cybersecurity stock and ETFs you can invest in through BUX0. Invest in dozens of the companies through these cybersecurity ETFs. On BUX0, you will find two ETFs that allow you to invest in dozens of cybersecurity companies through one simple product. The cybersecurity ETF Mirrors are the ISE Cybersecurity Index. It contains about 60 leading cybersecurity and cloud computing companies such as Cloudflare, Cloud, CrowdStrike, and Proofpoint. Through a cybersecurity and data privacy ETF, you invest in more than 50% cybersecurity companies. Do you know that you can add these ETF to your automated?